Hello YouTube. I don't know if you can hear me, but right now there is a pile of, you look right here, there's like copper pipe put in the pile. Copper pipe. I don't know if I have enough space in here to get some of this out of here, but I'm pretty much just moving pipe around. I might have to open my garage door because I got no space for this one. Yeah. Oh, there's pipe inside of a pipe too. How exciting. That up there for now. Most of it's supposed to be 12 foot. Doesn't look like it. The flat bar. Lots of flat bar. I keep a lot of... Right now it's all being piled on the floor as if it's scrap. I'm gonna open the door. It's all, I'm not throwing it all in there for now, so. Of course I can't get the damn door open. Let me stop this. Yeah. Come on, where's the button? Yep, it's me again. Moving rods. Just moving stuff. It's like midnight right now. And me, the village idiot. I'll do this nice and quiet. See, because the faster I get this done, the better. Gotta move this out of the way. Nothing like having a 135 pound, what do you call it, arbor press in your way. When I originally piled this in here, all this metal was piled in my other garage. I had about 400 pounds of steel strapped to the ceiling with 3 2x4s holding it with one screw in the ceiling on each board hanging down, and one screw on the little cross member. And I was like, I'm surprised this thing didn't just fall apart. It was just like, I was thoroughly amazed that I don't know, I must have had probably 300 linear feet of square stock just sitting there. It was kind of funny. I gotta move all this stuff. I got this big bar here. So yeah, I'm cleaning all this out. Trying to be as quiet as I can. Yeah. See, I don't know if you can see this. These are 12 footers. Gotta bend them and put them all right here. There's flat stock, more flat stock, round stock, and flat bar, and rods. But you know, I'm an idiot. Oh shit. Late at night. When's the best time to do it? Probably in the daytime. Nobody's awake. I mean, nobody's sleeping. Oh, come on, I don't know, goddamn garage. Anyway, let me turn this off. It's pretty boring.